Hello everyone. Today's class is all about sentence correction, and for this we will have some sentences and we will learn how to correct them. Not only that, we will also learn why and how we have corrected all the wrong sentences. Now, dear students, as you can see, we have some sentences on the screen. So both wrong and right answers are written. Wrong or right answer ya dia ase. Ami ki hikim keneke ami correct koilo, kyo correct koilo. Okay. Now, let us see the first sentence. What do we have? The first sentence says the wrong statement. I have visited Niagara Falls last weekend. Now, all of you can see the answer as it is written over here. I visited Niagara Falls last weekend. Now, the verb have disappeared. Kyo disappear hol? Naike kyo hol? Let me tell you, whenever we have last or a noun, mane last logo jite kibata word black thakibo ba jitu word pray noun hobo he last logo jite kibata word thake hedo hoda ki bujay simple past bujay ki tense bujabo simple past last weekend hok last monday hok last month last year last minute last moment or in fact this one yesterday. Okay, previously I also discussed the same thing. Again I am repeating. I hope now you understand why we are using visited means verb to, because last weekend these terms tells us about the simple past tense. So the answer is visited, not have present perfect. Have visited means present perfect. With last weekend we cannot use present perfect tense. We use verb to simple past tense. I hope tomaloke buji pala. Now let us go to the second sentence that we have. Next sentence says, the woman which works here is from Japan. Now, where is the mistake? This one, as you can see, the answer is written over here. Who is written in the right option, right? Itia, who kyo likha ase? Because whenever we talk about a person, I mean, woman joni kotha pati asu, right? Whenever we talk about a person, we always use a who. Who represents human beings, manu. Aru which to ki represent kore, which to a bostuk bujay. Okay, so yet ami manhor kotha patisu hetu kane ami ki likhibo laibo who. Etot ki hoy relative pronoun, eto connector hisabe use korise, connect korise etu. I hope to buji pala. Now see the next sentence that we have. The second sentence, the next sentence says she is married. She is married with a dentist. Now, swalojini dentist logot biya hol. Etia a marriage verb to ami use korisu. Yar logot hoday preposition use hoy to. Remember, yar logot married logot with ketiao use no hoy. Etu ta wrong use hoy. Married to a dentist. Okay, etu khub easy hoy, common sentence. You all know about this one. Etu more rakhile hol. Other prepositions are not at all used. Now, the next sentence. After this, next sentence we have, she was boring in the class. Jetia ami kaba nature kotha patu, kaba nature to khub ja boring hoy, kunba khub energetic hoy, kunba boring hoy, tetia ami kyo hoy, tetia ami a object bilak use lastot nokoru. Ami direct ko she was boring. Bas code boring, ঘৰত নে ক্লাছৰুমত নে হেটো নেসেসারি নহয়, অবজেক্ট আমাক না লাগে. ওকে, বাট যেটা তুমি কোৱা অ্যাকশনটো কথা পতা, বোৰিংটো কি বুজায়, নেচাৰক বুজায়, নেচাৰ. ওকে, আৰু ইয়াত আছে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ বোৰ্ড. বোৰ্ডটো কি বুজায়, অ্যাকশনটো বুজায়. ওকে, ইয়াত প্যাটাৰ্ন দিয়া আছে, আনসাৰটো কি দিয়া আছে, ওয়াজ বোৰ্ড. কিয় দিয়া আছে, বিকজ ওয়াজৰ পিছত কি লিখিব লাগিব, ভাৰ্ব 3 লিখিব লাগিব. দিস ইজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট প্যাটাৰ্ন. And she was bored in the class. Dia samne classroom tai bore lagisile. Something was happening, an action was happening in the class. Object to dia ase. Hetu kone ami ki likhibo lagibo, a pattern to likhibo lagibo, was bored. Eta buji pala ki answer to she was bored in the classroom. Very common hoy. Next one. Next sentence we have as, I must to call him immediately. I guess this is very common and you can easily spot the mistake, as we also have the answer over here that to is wrongly placed in the sentence. That to nalage yat. Okay, I must model verb bisot amar preposition amar dokar nohoy. I must call him. মডেল ভাৰ্বৰ পিছত কি লাগে can হওক could হওক তাৰপিছত সদায় কি লাগিব এটা মেইন ভাৰ্ব লাগিব ইয়াত মই mv বুলি লিখিছোঁ মেইন ভাৰ্ব I can do I could help মডেল ভাৰ্বৰ পিছত সদায় কি লাগিব এটা মেইন ভাৰ্ব লাগিব সো ইয়াত সেই মডেল মেইন ভাৰ্বৰ মাজত প্ৰিপজিশন বিলাক নবহে ইয়াত বুজি পালা এটো হল গ্ৰামাটিক্যাল ডেফিনিশ্যন okay now let us talk about the next sentence here the sentence says every students like the teachers মানে every students like the teacher yet ভুল কি হৈ আছে a student to কেলে ভুল আনসার লিখা আছে দেখিছা the answer is given as every student likes the teacher yet likes কিয় হল আৰু yet student কিয় হল plural to কিয় উঠি গল because we all know that every represents singular number as a whole every eta groupok as a whole বুজায় but singular number বুজায় okay so ইয়াত হেতু কাৰণে every student হ'ব ইয়াত ভাবটো কেলে হ'ব ভাবটো কিহৰ লগত এগ্ৰি কৰিব singular number টো লগত এগ্ৰি কৰিব হেতু কাৰণে কি হ'ব third person singular number লগত সদায় কি ইউজ হ'ব s by s লগাব লাগিব নহয় s es you will have to add so it will become likes বুজি পালা কি হ'ল every student okay যদি ইয়াত বেলেগ হল দেন কি হল দেন সেন্টেন্স বিলাক every teacher teachers নহয় every house houses নহব every buses নহব every bus হ'ব বুজি পালা every bus হ'ব every teacher হ'ব হনে everyone হ'ব ইয়াত s না লাগে s es এইবিলাক না লাগে বুজি পালা কি হয় কানে হল every কানে ইয়াত হল so I have explained the answer now let us go to the next sentence now what sentence do we have on screen we have a very beautiful sentence কিয় beautiful বুলি কলো কাৰণ অলৰেডি স্টার্ট হৈছে এটা অলৰেডি কি হয় বাৰু কোৱাচোন পটকে ভাবা অলৰেডিক আমি ইয়াত কি বুলি কম একিন যে অলৰেডি আছে তাৰ ডেফিনিশনটো কি হ'ব কৈ দিছো একিনে অলৰেডিক আমি কম সাবঅৰ্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশন কি বুলি কম সাবঅৰ্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশন কনজাংশন মানে কি আছিল যিবিলাক ওয়ার্ড ইউজ কৰি পেলা আমি দুটা সেন্টেন্সক আমি কানেক্ট কৰিব পাৰো হয়নে কেতিয়াবা মাজত বহে কেতিয়াবা বিগিনিংত বহে এতিয়া সাবঅৰ্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশন কোড ইউজ হয় in complex sentences discuss কৰিছিলো সাগে খিনি পাইছিলা simple compound and complex sentence so this is a complex sentence because the sentence is beginning with a subordinating conjunction although এতিয়া আমি গম পালো যে এটো এটা কি সেন্টেন্স কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স এতিয়া কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সত অলৰেডি এটা সাবঅৰ্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশন আছে subordinating conjunction that thokar pasot we cannot use any other connector in the sentence we just need to put a comma like as you can see the answer although it was raining comma we had the picnic at but to nobohe kyo nobohe kompala because of the subordinate conjunction is used other conjunctions or connectors are not used in the same sentence okay now let us go to the next sentence that we have so the last sentence we have as I enjoyed from the movie etia yat from je ase yat from to uthi gol likisane I enjoyed the movie yes jeta kiba eta bostu amar bhal lage cinema khon ami tv chalu jeta kiba eta bostu amar bhal lage ami ki kom hetu I enjoyed the movie I enjoyed the play I enjoyed the function I enjoyed the song hone from লগালে কি লগাব লাগিব ইয়াত কিবা এটা থাকিব I enjoyed from এটো ৰিমুভ কৰিব লাগে বুজি পালা ন কাৰেক্ট দা এৰৰছত আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব এডিশনাল বেলেগ বস্তু আমি এড কৰিব না লাগে বাট আমি চাব লাগিব যে আমি কিবা ওয়ার্ড ৰিমুভ কৰি পেলাই আমি সেন্টেন্সটো কাৰেক্ট কৰিব পাৰিম নেকি যদি আমি কাৰেক্ট কৰিব পাৰো বাই ৰিমুভিং সাম ওয়ার্ডস তেতিয়া আমি হেতু কাৰেক্ট কৰি লম যদি বলে কিছুমান সেন্টেন্স দি আছে we cannot remove the word but we can add extra word to correct the sentence then আমি add word কৰিব পাৰিম মানে word বিলাক আমি add কৰিব পাৰিম ঠিক আছে এতিয়া ইয়াত কি কৈছো ইয়াত from to উঠাই দিলে হল sentence কাৰেক্ট হৈ যাব বুজি পালা কিছুমান sentence আকৌ word আমি add কৰিব লাগে তাত word to add কৰিব লাগিব so ইয়াত necessary নহয় হে দুটা ৰুল কৰিলো হেতু বুজি পালে হল so ইয়াত I enjoyed from the movie ইয়াত from যদি হয় enjoyed ইয়াত লিখিব লাগিব something from the movie I enjoyed something from the movie ইমানটো আমাৰ নালাগে so এনেকে আমি এখিনি কাৰেক্ট কৰিব লাগিব I hope I have discussed all these sentences. Tumalke bhaldore gita buji pala. So again in the next video lesson, I will be discussing other sentences. Now look at these sentences that you have on your screen. The first sentence says, I like very much ice cream. I guess you can see the answer written over here. Now, dear students, you see, I like very much ice cream. What is the mistake over here? I, then we have the verb like. Right after we need an object. We need to supply an object. Then after the other position of words will come. So here, that's why the answer is written this way. I like ice cream very much. At object to bohuar pisode baki gita position ami add koribo lagibo. Okay? I mane pattern kuntu use korilu yat subject plus verb plus object. A to hol amar main pattern. A pattern to ami use kora pisod other objects blak adverbial hok baki khini amar yat bohi thakibo. Okay? Now next sentence. It is very easy. She can to drive. We do not need the to. Earlier I told you, we just need to remove some words. Remove koida to and she can drive. Etu ki hol can to ki bujai? Can to the ki verb hoy? Can to eta model verb. Can to ki bujai baro? Can to bujai ability. Ki bujai? Can to bujai ability. Okay? Now, next sentence is very important because most of the students make mistake here in this part. Whenever we use an interrogative pronoun as where or who, tar pasote bohibo verb to kuntu verb bohibo main verb nohoy auxiliary verb bohe tat ki verb bohe auxiliary verb. Listen, where I can find a bank, this is not a real statement. Etu bhul hoy. Where can I find a book? This is the correct answer. Because whenever we use an interrogative pronoun, we use the auxiliary verb right after the interrogative pronoun. Janeke, who are you? There is an are to use koisu. Whom do you want? Whom of some do use koisu. So these are some examples that we often use. So remember, interrogative pronoun who, whom, where, what, how. Right after these, tumalke ki koribo lagibo auxiliary verb khini use koribo lagibo. Right? Auxiliary mane kita model verb hobo. Janeke can get model verb boli ko. But all these verbs are included in auxiliary verb section. Okay? Specifically kole ami yat ko paim je duta model verb hoy. Now next sentence that we have, I live in United States. Ete kine mo kobo na lage tumalkok that there are some nouns in English grammar jar agot ki bohe da bohe. A US agot ki bohibo da United States. So yat ami eta word ki korilu add korilu da. Okay, so this is very easy.